Today, we're making my daddy's salmon stew. He loved to fish, and he'd take off camping with his buddies down on the Santee River here in South Carolina. This was one of his campfire stews, and it still tastes like home to me. We'll start with 3 to 4 potatoes peeled and cubed, and 1 onion diced. I'll show you about the size you need. Nothing fancy, just hearty. Now for the salmon. 2 cans of pink salmon. Drain them, but save the liquid. That's flavor. We're not going to waste it. Move the salmon to a bowl and remove the skin and bones. And yes, I'm using clean hands here. And yes, I am saying the L in salmon. Don't come for me. If you like the bones, leave them in. That's your business. This is how we do it. Break the salmon into smaller pieces and set aside. Now, melt 1 stick of butter in a stock pot. Add the onions and saute until they're soft and translucent. Then sprinkle 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We'll adjust the seasoning later. Once these are translucent, you'll add the potatoes. Then add the liquid from the salmon and 32 ounces of chicken broth. Put the lid on it, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let the potatoes get tender. This is where all the flavors start coming together. Once your potatoes are soft, you'll add 1 small can of tomato paste and give that a good stir. Then go in with 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 2 cans of cream-style corn. Now, Daddy always said cream-style corn is the secret to making it just a little creamy. Stir well. Now add the salmon gently back into the pot. Stir it through and taste for seasoning. Add salt if you need to. Now it's time to make it creamier. Add 2 cups of whole milk or half and half. No skim milk here. Daddy would not allow that. We want creamy, we want rich, and I'm adding a little more black pepper because when I love something, I commit. And a few shakes of your favorite hot sauce. Season it with your heart. I certainly am. If you don't want the spice, you can add it when you serve it. Now bring it back to a low simmer on medium-low heat. We've got milk in here now, so keep a watch on it and keep it stirred. We're not letting it scorch or clabber on our watch. We serve this up with saltines or oyster crackers, and take a moment. Every time I make this, I think my daddy would be proud. If you like this recipe, there are so many more to choose from. Hit subscribe, follow our channel, and I thank you for being here. See you next time.